When we let fx be equal to 0, the question says that 2 minus 3i is going to be a root, which means that f of 2 minus 3i is equal to 0 according to the factor theorem. So if I were to substitute x by this, we will have a 4 of 2 minus 3i to the power of 4 minus 20 of 2 minus 3i to the power of 3 plus s of 2 minus 3i squared minus 56 of 2 minus 3i plus t. This is equal to 0. And I'm going to just press this minus this minus this into the calculator, and I will be getting a 332 plus 828i. And if I were to press this into the calculator, we will have from our calculator minus 5 minus 12i, then plus t. This is equal to 0. And what we should do next is to try to regroup all the real parts together and all the imaginary portions together. So for the real portions, we have a 332 and we have a minus 5s and we have a t. So plus t. And as for the imaginary portion, we have a 828, we have a minus 12s. This is equal to 0. It is equal to 0, or we can also see this as 0 plus 0i, which means that if I were to match the imaginary to the imaginary, we have a 828 minus 12s. This is equal to 0. This tells us that s is equal to 69. And if I were to match the real part to the real part for both the left and right hand side, we will have a 332 minus 5s. S is 69 plus t is equal to 0. This will help us to work out a value for t. T is equal to 13, which means that fx is going to be equal to 4x to the power of 4 minus 20x to the power of 3 plus s is 69. So 69x to the power of 2 minus away 56x plus t. T is 13. So plus 13. This is equal to 0. And if I were to just press this into the calculator and let my calculator work out the roots of this equation for me, we will have x to be equal to 2 minus 3i. We will have x to be equal to 2 plus 3i. And from my calculator, we will also be getting x to be equal to half. So the other roots will be 2 plus 3i, half.